Let's learn how to sign up for a free ChatGPT account. Go to this website, chatgpt.com. Click on Sign Up for Free. You're now on the ChatGPT sign-up page, and it gives you several simple ways to create your account. First, you see 4 large buttons offering one-click sign-in using accounts you may already have. Continue with Google. Tap this if you want to use your Google account to sign up instantly. Continue with Apple. Choose this option if you prefer to sign up using your Apple ID. Continue with Microsoft. Select this if you'd like to register through your Microsoft account. Continue with Phone. This allows you to sign up using your mobile phone number instead of an email or linked account. Below those buttons, there's a horizontal line with the width or in the center, giving you a second set of options. Email address field. You can type in your email address manually if you'd rather create a login that isn't tied to Google, Apple, or Microsoft. To use this, enter your email address, and then click Continue. Great! You have chosen how you would like to sign in, and now just have to answer a few questions. Next, we can tell ChatGPT how we plan on using it. A screen appears that asks, "What brings you to ChatGPT?" We'll use this information to suggest ideas you might find useful. Below that, you see several options you can select from: school, work, personal tasks, fun and entertainment, other. And if you don't want to provide this information, you also have the option to simply skip this step. Next, you arrive at a screen that asks, "What do you want to do with ChatGPT?" Here, ChatGPT presents a wide range of categories you can choose from, each with its own icon to help you quickly recognize the type of help you might want. Write or edit, get organized, create something, brainstorm, code or debug, analyze data, grow professionally, search, learn and study, get step-by-step help, shop smarter, stay healthy, plan a trip, manage money, plan something. At the bottom, you have 2 choices: continue, to move forward with the selected options, or skip, to proceed without choosing anything. ChatGPT will then give you a short turn, and then remind you not to share sensitive info. Great! You are now all set up, and can start using ChatGPT.